Jai Hind friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to file ITR 1 live practically step by step with the help of Form 16. If you are a private employee, public employee, government employee, you must have received your Form 16 which contain Part A and Part B. Suppose you have selected old tax regime while your employer asks you, but now you have option, you can file your ITR in other regime. If you have selected new tax regime, you can file in old. If you have selected old tax regime, then you can also file your ITR in new tax regime. So with the help of Form 16 live practically step by step, we are going to file ITR 1. If you are getting salary or pension income, if you are getting income from house property from one house or shop, if you want to take home loan interest benefit, and if you have any other part-time income like saving interest, FD interest or any other part-time income, then ITR 1 can be filed. Before filing ITR 1, make sure to check AIS, TIS and Form 26AS. Friends, if you still feel any problem, feel free to ask us in comment box. If you want to take any professional help, you can call, message or WhatsApp us. Without further delay, just jump into the income tax portal and let's file ITR 1 with the help of Form 16. So friends, ITR season is on the peak and you must have received your Form 16. You know very well that 15 September is the due date to file your ITR. If you have received your Form 16, then don't delay, because after 15 September, if your income is more than 3 lakh rupees, you might have to pay 1000 rupees late fees, and if your income is more than 5 lakh rupees, you might have to pay rupees 5000 rupees as late fees. So here Part B we will discuss accordingly. Here the name and address of your employer, and here the name and address of your will be shown here. Now the period 1st April 24 to 31st March 25, financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26. Now it will ask whether opting out of taxation under section 11 BAC. It is mean you are by default in new tax regime, or you want to opt out this tax regime. Here it is selected yes. That means your Form 16 has prepared as per the old tax regime. One more identification, you must received 50,000 rupees as standard deduction. If you would have selected the new tax regime, then standard deduction will be 75,000. And here the salary income 91,852 to 17,1, 17,2 or 17,3, and below you must have received any exempt allowances, that might be your HRA, and after that 50,000 standard deduction you are getting because you have selected the old tax regime. But if you have selected old tax regime in your employer, then while filing ITR you have select option to select both the tax regime, new as well as old. Now section 80C, 80CCC and CCD1. Overall 1.5 lakh deduction can be taken. Apart from that, 80CCD1B, 80CCD2, employer contribution to NPS, and any other deduction or exemptions 80E, CCH, 80G, 80 TDS saving interest you will get. So here overall deductions will be 1,43,000, your taxable income, your tax payable, and the whatever tax payable you have to pay 4% additional health and education cess. Your overall tax liability will be 46962. Now what we have to do, we need to visit any browser and we have to visit the income tax portal, which is the incometax.gov.in. If you have registered yourself already, then you need to click on the login button. If you are coming first time on this portal, then you need to register yourself. Now we are clicking on the login button. Now it will ask you to enter your user ID. You can put your PAN or Aadhaar. Any PAN or Aadhaar can be input here. Then you have to click on the continue button. After clicking on the continue button, you need to click on this checkbox. You have to input your password. If you don't remember your password, just click on the forget password button and you can change your password with using Aadhaar OTP. Now click on the continue button. Now your income tax portal will be look like this. Before filing ITR, you must check AIS, TIS and Form 26AS, because any transaction showing here you need to declare in your income tax return. Click on the AIS, it will take you to the new website. Now you need to click on this AI icon where you can check the entire AIS. Now here you have to select the financial year 24-25, and apart from that you have to click on this TIS, which is taxpayer information summary. Any transactions which you did through your PAN card will be shown here. Saving interest, FD interest, salary, credit card, mutual fund, crypto, real estate, every transactions will be shown here. Now again come on the income tax portal, e-file income tax return. Now you have to select view form 26AS. You have to click on the view form 26AS. It will take you to a separate website. Click on this checkbox, click on the proceed button, click on the view tax credit. Assessment year will be 25-26. Click on the HTML, click on the view download button. Now here any transactions on which TDS has been deducted will be shown here. Form 15G, 15H given will be shown here. Any TCS, any reportable transactions will be shown here. Make sure to show all the transactions in your income tax return. Section 192 is for salary or pension, 194 is for dividend, 194A for the FD interest. So you have to select your income accordingly. Now again come on income tax portal, e-file, you have checked AIS, TIS and form 26AS. Now click on the assessment year 25-26. Mode of filing should be online. Click on the continue button, click on the start new filing. Now select individual, click on the continue button, select ITR form 1. So you know very well, if you are having up to 1,25,000 rupees capital gain, then only you can file ITR 1. If you are having any short term capital gain, any mutual fund, any cryptocurrency, any gaming income, any agriculture income, then ITR 1 cannot be filed. Now click on the proceed with ITR 1. It is showing a message that your new tax regime is default. If you want to take deductions of HRA, ATC, ATD, any deductions, then you need to select your old tax regime, and we are going to file this ITR in old tax regime. Click on the OK, click on the let's get started. Now it will ask you to the reason why you are filing your ITR. If your taxable income is more than 3 lakh rupees, which is basic exemption limit, then you need to select this one. If you did any of these transactions, then select accordingly. If you don't know what to select, just click on the others and click on the continue button. Now it is showing that you have checked the AIS, TIS and form 26AS. All of the transactions already showing here on pre-filled basis. If you want to change them, select them, edit them, you can do accordingly. Click on the OK button. Now come on the personal information. Here your name, your address, your contact detail will come here. Now nature of employment. Who is giving you the salary? Central government, state government, your nature of employer will be selected here. If you are getting any private income, then you need to select on the others. Now if you are filing your ITR before 15 September, which is the due date, select 139.1. Now 115 BAC 6, opting out of new tax regime. If you select the no, it will take you to the new tax regime where 7 lakh rupees income is tax free, but you will not get any deductions and exemptions. And if you want to go in old tax regime, then you need to click on the yes button. You will get many deductions and exemptions. No form 10 IEA need to file if you are filing ITR 1. Now bank detail. Each and every bank account should be added by clicking add another. At least one bank account should be nominate for refund and validate for refund. Now click on the confirm button. Now your personal information tab has been confirmed. Now gross total income, main part of your video. Here if you are getting form 16, then 918,522. Your salary is coming automatically. Here you can cross verify it. Your salary is coming here 918,522. So here 918,522 means your form 16 and ASTS 26S data is already cross checked. But if you want to change anything, you need to click on the edit button. And here in form 16, you are getting a deduction under section 10. Might be this is your HRA. So you need to calculate your HRA if you are not getting in form 16. Otherwise, you can fill the manually 61452. Here you have to come the income tax portal. Here you need to select any allowances, which can be the exempt allowances. See section 10, section 13, section 14 applicable as per your case. So suppose you have received any section 10 allowances and you don't know what is the name of that allowances, then you can select any other, and here in description you can write as per form 16 and you can mention the amount here. So here we are putting as per form 16 because we are eligible for this type of allowances. Now 50,000 rupees standard deduction you are getting. Suppose if you would have select the new tax regime, then 75,000 rupees standard deduction would be available, but in old tax regime only 50,000 rupees standard deduction is available. Now click on the save button. Our salary part has been confirmed already. If you want to take any other allowances, say any HRA or any else, so here what you need to do, you need to want to add more breakup. So here section 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.10b, section 10.10c, section 10.14. HRA, if you want to do manually HRA, then you need to click on this one, and here section schedule 10.13a, you have to select you are working in metro or non-metro, HRA received, rent paid, basic salary, DA, or here 40 or 50% of your salary, then your HRA will be calculating automatically. Now our income detail has been filled automatically. Income from house property. In ITR 1, you can only show either rental income or either home loan interest you can claim. Just click on this edit button. If you are having any rental income, just select the let out, means you have given this property on let out, and here you can input the rental income. If you are living on this property and you have taken a home loan, just click on the self occupied and click on the save button. Now income from house property, here section 24b, interest on borrowed capital. I am again repeating, don't claim any fake deductions or exemptions. Click on the add another. Now here the home loan you have taken from bank or any other. Now from which bank you have taken, the loan account number you have to mention, the date when your loan amount has been sanctioned. If you don't know, you have to confirm from your bank amount of total loan. Suppose you have taken 40 lakh rupees loan and on 31st March 2025, suppose your 32 lakh rupees loan is still pending and now you have paid suppose 2,02,000 rupees as interest. You know very well up to 2 lakh rupees interest can be claimed. Now click on the save button and here you will be able to see only up to 2 lakh rupees your interest payable is getting deducted from your salary. Now last but not the least, income from other source. Here most of the interest or income will come automatically. You can change and edit accordingly. If you have any other income, just click on the any other income. Suppose you got any commission income, or you suppose you are a teacher and you have received the copy checking fees, then you must have received suppose 1,000 rupees. Just click on the save button. Now salary, house property, rental, home loan interest, income from other source. If you are having any PPF or any other exempt income, agriculture income up to 5,000 rupees, long-term capital gain on equity share or equity oriented mutual fund up to 1,25,000 will be shown here. Now you need to click on the confirm button. Now total deductions and exemptions, the main part of our video. Friends, ATC is a very popular deduction. What you need to do, you need to click on the edit button. You need to click on the add another. Suppose you have paid 60,000 rupees fees of your child, which is your tuition income, and the receipt number you have to mention here. Now if you have taken your home loan, then you must have paid the principal amount as well. Suppose you have paid 2 lakh rupees principal of your home loan. Click on the save button. You have taken 2,60,000 rupees total deduction, but maximum amount permissible is 1,50,000. Again saying, don't claim any fake deduction or exemptions. Just click on the save button. Now again, ATC, CCC or CCD1, overall amount will be the 1,50,000 rupees. Now ATCCD1B, if you want to take additional 50,000 rupees deduction, you can take here. ATCCD2, employer contribution to NPS, ATCCH, ATD, health insurance or any expenditure incurred to health of your parents. Click on the edit button. If you are claiming any deductions of you and your family member, here add another, insurance company name, policy number, and here what you need to mention, you need to mention your premium paid. Suppose only 10,000 premium you have paid, click on the save button, because up to 25,000 rupees you can take deductions. Now for your parents, suppose your parents are senior citizen, click on the yes button. Detail of insurance, if any insurance has been taken, click on the add button. And now insurance policy number and insurance company and health insurance amount you have to mention here. Just click on the save button. Section 80D has also been saved. Now apart from that, if you are having any section 80DD, any DDB, 80E means higher education home loan, 80EE, EEA, EEB, 80G, 80GG, if you are not getting any HRA, then up to 5,000 rupees per month into 12, 60,000 rupees claim you can do here in section 80GG, but we are getting our HRA. 80GGA, political party, valley dangers, 80GGC, 80TTA, if you are getting your income from saving bank account, suppose karo 4,000 rupees, but it is maximum giving you the amount which you have earned, so you must take maximum amount which you have received as saving bank interest. So we have taken the same amount, we have click on the save button. Now again, what you do, if any other deduction you want to take, you can select accordingly, otherwise click on the confirm button. Now the next tab will be the deductions and exemptions, which we have already discussed. Now taxes paid. Any TDS has been deducted on salary other than salary, Form 16C, any TCS collected, any advance tax or self-assessment tax. Suppose there is any tax payable, then you need to pay as self-assessment tax, then you have to mention here, you have to click on the add another, and you have to put the detail of the taxes paid. Suppose your salary TDS is not getting here automatically, then you can fill manually as per the form 16. Now click on the confirm button. Your total tax liability, you know very well that in old tax regime, if your income is up to 5 lakh rupees, any tax payable will be exempt up to rupees 12,500 under section 87A. So tax payable becoming 0. Click on the confirm button, proceed to verification. Now it is giving you a good news that you are eligible for a refund of this much amount. Again saying don't take any fake deduction exemptions. Now click on the preview and submit your return. You have to mention the place from where sitting you are filing this ITR. Proceed to validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. You have to click on that particular error and rectify accordingly. Here it is showing the nature of the allowance, exempt allowances you need to select accordingly. Here we have selected one more allowances and have not inputted any amount. Don't worry, just click on that and do the same process again and again. Now again proceed to validation. There is no error. If still any error, you have to select it. It will take you to that error and rectify accordingly. Now click on the preview button. The detailed form which you have filled automatically will be shown here. Just confirm that and proceed to validation. Now again, if there will be any error, it will be shown here. Otherwise, you have successfully filled up your ITR. Click on the proceed to verification. It will give you the three options. One is e-verify now, which is recommended by the department. E-verify within 30 days. If you are not able to e-verify it, you can send the signed ITRV to CPC Bengaluru within 30 days. So we are selecting e-verify now. Click on the continue button. Now friends, Aadhaar OTP option need to select. Click on the continue button. I agree, generate Aadhaar OTP. A 6-digit Aadhaar OTP will come on your mobile number. You need to mention that, and after that you need to click on validate button. After clicking on the validate, it will ask you for submission. Now it will ask you to confirm submission of return, and it is also giving a warning. After that, the modification not be allowed. You have to revise your ITR. Now we are going to submit because we are confirmed and submitted successfully. Now you can check your ITR has been successfully submitted and it is validated, and ITR is submitted successfully means when you have to click on the proceed button, you have successfully filed filed and verify your return, and it will showing a message that you will be notified to this mobile number and this email ID of the further processing. When your ITR get processed, when your ITR refund has been processed, they will notify you. Now you can click on the go to dashboard or download receipt. Receipt is the one page ITR acknowledgement. When we click on the download receipt, it will a single page PDF get downloaded. When we click on this download file, it will be shown like this, that your ITR acknowledgement, and here you will be able to see the assessment year, all the income which you have shown, all the TDS which you have claimed. Means your ITR has been filed. Before filing ITR, please check AIS, TIS and Form 26AS, and you must have your professional CA chartered accountant. You can take any professional services from us by calling, WhatsApp or messaging us. So friends, if you have liked this video, please thumbs up us and please like this video. If you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to comment in comment box and share this video with your near and dear one. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.